Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Malai bread custard. For that I'll need 2 cups of milk. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of custard powder solution in it. I have made the custard powder solution by adding 2 tablespoons of custard powder in 2 tablespoons of milk and then add it to it. Now I'll mix all the ingredients together. Then I'll add 4 tablespoons of sugar in it. After adding the sugar, I'll mix the solution well so that the sugar melts and dissolves in it properly. Now I will cook this milk solution for 2 minutes into the stove and then I'll get a thick consistency just as custard. After that, I'll add half cup of powdered milk and then I'll pour custard powder solution as I made before in it one by one and then mix this properly and make a fine paste. We will not add too much milk in it because we need a thick paste. Then I'll take milk breads and then cut the edges of the bread. At this point, please be careful, don't get your fingers in it and cut with a sharp knife. Now I'll spread the milk paste into the bread. As you can see, I am done with the breads. Now I'll sprinkle chopped almonds in it. Then I'll take the other part of the bread and then make a sandwich and then I'll do this with the other breads. This is the second last step of our recipe. Now I'll place all the breads into the serving dish. I'll not stack them closely. I'll need a space to flow the milk. So here is our final step. Now I'll pour the custard powder and milk solution into the bread and then keep this for an hour into the refrigerator. I'll cover the breads into the milk solution properly so that it soaks the milk and it tastes more delicious. Here is the final look of our Malai bread custard. Now I'll garnish this with chopped almonds and then keep this for 1 hour into the refrigerator. our Malai bread custard is ready to eat. It tastes really good. You can serve it with love. It's a perfect dessert for any function. You can have it with your loved ones. I have shown you the most easiest way to make Malai bread custard. You can make this very easily and then you can share this with your friends and family. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time with another super duper video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.